Today we're gonna be trying something different, something that's I've never had before. It's like a burger, but it's like fully wrapped, like fully closed, right?
Like a bread.
Like a bread. Yeah, so it's called Bear Bites. We're in it's in
Newark.
Yeah, it's in Newark. I'm interested. I think they got handcrafted sodas and like fresh chips that they make. So they don't have fries. They have chips and not like fries. People call it chips and like actual chips. I'm interested though. It's kind of unique and I'm excited to try it. We just got done with the hike. I don't know if that video is already out or not, but if it is, go check it out. It'll be in the description. It'll be right above. But yeah, anyways though, let's go to Bear Bites. Let's see what this place is about. I don't know if you guys are able to see when we pulled up, but there's wood, so I don't know if they're open or not, but it seems like they are. Well, they're actually closed right now. They don't open until 11. It's 10:36, so once they do open, we'll be sitting here. We're gonna get that food and try it.
Alright guys, so we got the food. It was a 25-minute wait, but hopefully it was worth it.
If you guys go to this place, definitely order ahead if you don't want to wait, because I guess everything's like fresh and prepared the day before, or not the day before, but the day before, because the dough has to rest and all that. So it takes 25 minutes to bake it, so you know it's a pretty long wait. But we got the food though. We got barbecue sauce on the side. She got mustard for hers. We got a side of mac and cheese. They have mac and cheese or chips or potato salad. We got one mac and cheese and one thing of chips. Spicy chips. They come in this like tin foil thing. Oh, and then also it's a special going on. I guess if you check in with Yelp, you get a free cookie. So she gave us 2, even though we only did it once. So I mean, shout out to her. Yeah, I think she was the owner. She seemed like she was the owner.
Yeah.
I would have recorded like the conversation, because she was actually saying like a lot of good stuff, but I kind of find it weird to record people, and then I don't want to really ask if I could record her saying all that, even though it is good content though, because I know people do that, and
she probably would have loved
she probably would have loved it because it does help the business out, but I just didn't. So anyways though, I haven't seen this. She's seen it because her sister's in the car next to us, and they're already eating it, so let's check it out. Oh, this is way different than what I thought.
It looks way different than the picture.
A little smaller than I thought, I'm gonna be honest, but I guess I should have thought of that because it's in this box. But that's what it looks like.
That's the chicken one, and this is the beef.
Okay, so we're gonna try this. Oh, and you can't customize it. That's one of the downfalls for me personally. I wish they found a way they could customize it, but obviously they have to let the dough rest, so I don't know if that's even possible. But you can't customize, so if you don't like onions or you don't like cheese or like whatever that they have in there, you can't take it out.
Yeah.
And that's very unfortunate for me because I do not like onions at all, and I feel like there's probably a lot in here. But if you do,
they're caramelized, so it won't be as bad.
As bad. Oh God. Yeah, it won't be as bad, but anyway, let's try it. We got a little sesame seeds or something. I really hope this place is good, just because I liked her.
Yeah.
And if she is the owner, I want this place to do good because she was super cool.
Yeah.
But I say you try yours, I try mine, and then we switch.
Okay. These are hot.
Yeah, they are pretty, but they're literally just made. Yeah. Let's get it. This is so hot. Wow, it's hot.
That was a big bite, and I didn't even get the beef yet. But as you guys can see, the beef patties are very, very thin.
Hmm?
I don't know if you guys can see that.
What do you think about the breading though around it so far? It's like a croissant or like a...
Kinda, yeah, huh?
It's like flaky. The chicken doesn't look like it's patties. It almost looks like it's kind of just... I'll show you guys the inside of mine. It's not gonna focus, but... Tomato on top. I don't know if I got onions in that bite, but I didn't even notice. All right, second bite in.
This is good though. Better than what I thought it would be.
It's definitely good. It's definitely too hot. I kind of want to let it sit because I can't even fully enjoy my chewing because it's like so hot. But this is good though. I like it, and I think the biggest thing that's cool about it is just it's different. It's unique. Like, yes, it's a burger. I mean, I haven't had that one yet, but like for this one, like, yes, it's like a chicken sandwich, I guess, but it doesn't feel like a chicken sandwich, even though it's all the ingredients of it, but it feels like it's something a little different, and it's kind of cool.
And also, she was really nice. enough since we've never been there. I had asked her like what flavor she recommended for their crafted beverages, and she gave us like these small clear cups that we could sample each one with. We both ended up getting the root beer.
Yeah, root beer was the best one for sure. I actually really enjoy it. She doesn't really like it too much.
You keep on saying that. I never said that.
Her and her sister didn't seem like
We literally never said
they
that.
liked it that much though.
Because we got in the car and she didn't like it.
Yeah.
It tastes different.
But I like it though. I think it's actually really, really good.
To me, it just tastes like cream soda.
I don't even see. Oh, mine's bigger than yours.
Yeah, that one's pretty flat.
Yeah, I don't even.
Oh, I'm scared to try this one. That chicken's a little weird.
Think so?
It kind of tastes like almost some sort of Italian sausage.
I think that's what it is. More like a chicken sauce. Well, obviously chicken, but like.
Sausage type instead of like a chicken. Because it's not a breast.
Yeah, it's almost like mushed up, kind of like it would be like a sausage. The burger's not bad either. The burger's pretty good.
Should we check in on my sister next door and see how she's liking it? Well, before we even do that, let's give our ratings real quick. So I personally like the beef one better than the chicken. I would give the beef one like a 7.5, and the chicken one I'd give like a 6.5. These are kind of messy. Look at you.
Yeah, they're very messy. For me, I'd give the chicken one an 8.5, and I'd give the beef one 7.5. I like chicken more, only because I feel like the chicken one's just more flavorful. This, which kind of makes sense, because this one's just like a burger. So you really just taste like the meat, the tomato or whatever, and a little bit of cheese or something. But I just feel like this one there's more flavor. Maybe because you said it's like Italian sausage type. So there's like added flavor, but this one just also has like the green peppers in here. I think if this was not this kind of chicken or whatever, I think you would like this better.
Yeah.
Probably.
What are your thoughts?
But I personally will not come back.
You got the chicken one, right? How was it?
Doesn't taste like chicken.
It was
I thought
weird.
It was beef, huh?
It was like a sausage, huh?
Yeah.
What's your rating?
Out of what?
10.
Like a
2 out of 10?
I won't come back.
Ooh.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I think she's tripping.
2, that's crazy.
It's definitely not a straight up chicken. Like there's like spices and like different stuff in there. Maybe if it was just like an actual chicken breast, I guess people would like it, or like they would like it more. All right, you want to try the mac? All right, let's see what this mac's about.
Ooh. It's like watery or something.
Mac and cheese ain't it.
It really isn't.
Mac and cheese is not it.
Here, let me give some to my sister to try. Try it.
It's not very good.
It grows on.
I don't think it's gross, but it's just not rich.
That shit tastes like it was frozen.
Not even that.
This one's not it. I don't recommend the mac and cheese. The flavor's not really. It's not much flavor there, and it's also very watery. And for me, I kind of like a little thicker cheese. And for me, I like when they bake the top, or like where it's like
Breadcrumbs.
not necessarily. Well, yeah, that breadcrumbs, but you don't have to have the breadcrumbs. At least have the thick, like not burnt, but like kind of burnt cheese. But yeah, it's just super watery. It just seems like it's too much water, or like too much.
The taste is weird too. Yeah, I don't think I could eat any more of that. It was nasty.
It's not necessarily nasty for me though. Like I could finish this. It's just not like
I'm giving that a 1.
a 1.
A 1.
That's crazy. I give it like a 4 to a 5. I gotta try the barbecue. I think the biggest thing is the chicken. I wish they specified more about how the chicken is, because it's definitely not what you think of when you think of like a chicken sandwich.
I was thinking it was gonna be like fried in there, like a fried thing. But I guess it makes sense
I
if they
think-
cook it right then and there.
Yeah.
You are so messy.
Mm.
You just dripped on yourself. Okay.
Hmm. I definitely like it with barbecue. I think it makes it better. All right, you want to try the chips?
Yeah.
All right, spicy. Bear Bites, gotta have them. I think these are like freshly made too. Well, I'm not freshly made, but like they make them here and all that.
They have different flavors too. They have spicy, pink salt, and thyme.
And I don't know if I mentioned, they don't have fries. So even though you get burgers and chicken sandwiches, there's no fries. You either get I think we did mention that. You either get the chips or you get the mac and cheese or the potato salad. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I like how the texture of the chip. I think it's made good. As far as I don't know about the flavor yet. Let me see about the flavor.
Spicy.
It's definitely spicy. Maybe we could have just shot the Himalayan salt.
I definitely can't be eating those like that.
Wow.
It's spicy.
I actually like these.
I like how they're thin and crispy.
Yeah. I will say though, I do wish, and maybe because there's like a chip like this that I'm thinking in my head, there was like a hint of like sweet for the added flavor. because it's not much flavor. It's kind of just like a chip flavor, like potato flavor, or whatever, and a little bit of salt, I guess, but it's like spice.
Yeah.
I think if they add a little bit of like sweet, some type of sweet. This is better than the mac and cheese. I'd get this over the mac and cheese.
For sure. And based off of how the mac and cheese tasted, I wouldn't be down to try the potato salad.
I'm not really gonna give a rating because they're just chips. And I guess we'll try the cookie. I don't know if they even make the cookie. This one I'm not sure on. They probably do since they make everything else, it seems like. 1, 2, 3. Soft.
Not how I would want my chocolate chip to taste though.
Really?
I feel like it's on the bitter side than on the sweeter side.
I'm not sure what you mean by bitter, but it's definitely not super sweet. All right, chocolate chip cookie was not bad. Nothing crazy. It wasn't like the best chocolate chip cookie. It wasn't terrible either. Overall though, for me, I do like this place. Would I go here again? We don't live here, so probably not. I wouldn't drive all the way out here for it. Like, it's not that good where I'd drive all the way out here. But if I lived here, I wouldn't mind coming here once in a while because they weren't too expensive. They were kind of like average price for like a meal. But as you guys saw with the ratings, I actually really enjoyed the chicken one. I would get it again, and I just think it's a cool idea. I like the idea of it. And also another thing, I feel like this is a place everybody should try
Yeah.
because you never really know.
That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say,
For these at least, the mac and cheese I think is just, there's no way you like the mac and cheese. I guess you could, but like, I don't. It's just different types of mac and cheeses, I guess, and this is just not my style of mac and cheese.
yeah, I wouldn't get this again, but I would recommend it as a one-time try
Yeah, you have to at least try it because
because the concept is cool.
the concept is cool and you never know. You might really like it. Either way though, that's gonna be us trying Bear Bites. Like I said, this is in Newark. If you're in the area or whatever, just type it in on Google Maps or Apple Maps, whatever, and you'll probably find it. But if you enjoyed the video though, definitely leave a like. We appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely comment down below your thoughts on Bear Bites if you've actually had it. I don't know if this is like the only location. It kind of seems like it is. But if it's not, and you've had it somewhere else, let us know what you think about it. And if you haven't had it, like we said, definitely check it out. It's a cool concept, and you never know, you might really like it. Also, if you know of any restaurants that are coming out with new stuff in 2022, let us know about it because we definitely want to try it. The last thing we did was Wendy's hot honey chicken sandwich. So if you haven't checked it out yet, definitely check it out. But either way though, my name is Matt.
My name's Nicole.
This is Oakley, and that was a piece of us.